Hello guys, good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening,
Halo,
bro.
Halo,
Good evening, Bro
Bro
Hadi. Good
Koko.
evening,
Hai, good
sisters and
evening, Bro
brothers.
Koko.
Good.
Alright, okay. How's life going on, guys? How's life?
Fine.
Good.
Life is
Good.
good, right? Life is great.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Is
Yeah,
Right.
that
that's
still is that still rainy? Rainy in
in my
your place?
place. No,
Yeah.
no. For today's, no, it's better. Yeah. Yesterday there was a storm, guys, in my place. Yeah, so that was
Yeah.
blackout, and sometimes the Zoom got error too. Yeah, for some
Yeah.
accounts. So that's why we didn't do the class. Yeah. So sorry for that one, everybody. But
Okay.
yeah, actually, I was ready, guys. Yeah, for the class, but in the
No
condition. Yeah.
problemo, Bro Koko. It's
No.
okay.
Okay, so we can change ya to the other day. Kita nanti bisa ganti ya ke
Okay.
hari yang lain, teman-teman. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I really appreciate it, and I have to say thanks a lot, guys, yeah, for your understanding. Good.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
All
Okay.
right. Okay. So, guys, yeah,
No problem.
today must be in the seventh meeting, but we are still on the sixth meeting. Yeah, it's okay. So let's go to the slides that we have. Anyway, are you ready, guys, for studying today?
I'm
Are you ready?
ready.
Yes, we are ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Yeah, it's day 6 and it's about speaking. Yeah, again, it's about speaking. For tomorrow's meeting, we are going to learn about grammar. Kalau besok kita bahas grammar, teman-teman ya. But today, it's about speaking. Hari ini lebih ke speaking, teman-teman. And you are going to speak about health and sickness. Boleh kita baca sama-sama ya, guys? Health and sickness. Can you?
Health and
Sickness.
Alright. What is the meaning of health, guys? Health is
kesehatan.
Kesehatan.
kesehatan. Okay. How to say sehat, guys? Sehat is?
Yes, health.
No. How to say? How do you say? Bagaimana cara bilang sehat dalam bahasa Inggris? Sehat is?
Health.
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 Healthy.
Healthy.
Nah, kalau
Healthy.
healthy
Oh,
itu
yeah,
sehat
healthy.
ya. Healthy itu sehat, tapi kalau health apa, guys? Health is
Kesehatan.
sehat.
Kesehatan.
So
Kalau
healthy.
headache, bro?
Headache itu sakit kepala.
Sakit kepala hidup.
Nah, headache. Ya. Okay. So that's headache.
Bro, yang kesehatan yang mana? Sorry.
Kesehatan itu health.
Health.
Nah, kalau healthy itu sehat.
Sehat.
Nah, kadang-kadang ada yang suka kebalik ya, health sama healthy. Nah, padahal healthy itu sehat, tapi kalau health kesehatan. That's it.
Kasih contoh yang lain nggak, bro?
Sorry, Bro Hadi.
Kasih contoh misalnya selain health gitu. Ada nggak yang lain?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Kasih contoh selain health?
Sinonim.
Yang sama gitu. Health sama healthy gitu ya. Yang mirip kata-katanya.
Sehat dan kesehatan. Oke, happy and happiness, for example. Happy itu apa, guys?
Bahagia.
Happy bahagia.
Happiness.
Kalau happiness?
Kebahagiaan.
Mungkin gitu ya pertanyaannya, Bro ya.
Iya.
Tapi beda ini ya, bro ya. Berbeda cara ininya, nggak pakai T gitu ya.
Oh yeah, it's different, bro. Beda ya. Oke. Because different word ya. Beda kata, beda.
Nggak ada healthness ya, bro?
Sorry?
Nggak ada rumus. Ada rumus.
Healthness nggak ada ya, healthness?
No, there is no healthness. Tidak
Okay.
ada. Okay, yeah, health like that one.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, pleasure, bro. That's good ya. Okay, healthy, sehat, health, kesehatan. And then sickness. Now, what is sickness, guys? Sickness is?
Sakit.
Kalau sakit itu sick. Kalau sakit itu sick.
Kesakitan.
No, bukan
Penyakit.
Penyakit. Nah, itu dia ya. Oke. Penyakit ya, guys. Penyakit. So that's sickness. Nah, that's English ya. Bahasa Inggris tuh unik, teman-teman. Ya, so that's English is unique. So you have to memorize ya. Jadi kunci berbahasa itu ada 3 guys ya. Understanding, memorizing, practicing. What is understanding? Understanding is?
Memahami.
Pemahaman.
Pengertian.
Ya,
Mengerti.
memahami
Pemahaman.
pemahaman. Teman-teman harus
Hmm.
memahami ya. And then
Ya.
memorizing, what is memorizing?
Mengingat.
Menghafal,
Kembali
hafal.
mengingat.
Mengingat,
Ingat.
menghafal.
Ingatan.
Ya. Selain kita paham ya kita harus ingat ya. And practicing, what is practicing?
Dipraktekkan.
Praktekkan.
Mempraktekannya ya. Percuma kita paham, kita hafal, tapi kita nggak praktek ya sama aja bohong ya. Kita harus praktek. Oke, health, kesehatan, sickness, penyakit ini adalah materi kita hari ini ya. And now guys, raise your hand. Boleh dong kita ngobrol dulu nih di sini ya. Raise your hand to answer a question here. Diangkat tangannya untuk menjawab sebuah pertanyaan di sini ya. Do you believe you have a healthy lifestyle? Yes or no, guys?
Apakah kamu percaya?
Apakah kamu percaya? Kamu yakin ya? Kamu punya pola hidup yang sehat?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. Okay, share it here ya. Okay, start from. Okay, just raise your hand, guys. Yeah, start from Sylvie. Hello, Sylvie. Good evening.
Yeah. Hello.
All right.
Bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sylvie, I want to
so-
know about your healthy lifestyle. Do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I have a healthy lifestyle.
Would you tell us how sure you say it? So please,
Yes.
can you prove?
Yeah, because from right now I reduce to eat sugar and flavor from the whole content of the gluten, and I reduce to eat the oil from the kelapa sawit. I change to the coconut oil.
Okay.
Then I'm fasting. Then I prefer eat a lot of vegetable and fruits.
Okay, then. Okay, so you have a better lifestyle, yeah? Here?
Yeah,
Okay, then. Okay.
thank you.
Thank you, Sylvia. Thank you so much for sharing. That's cool.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay, I will give correction after this, okay? All right. And then the next one, yeah, I'll give to other friends for the chance, yeah. I'll give it to Sis Hartati, yeah. Are you there, sister?
Yes, bro.
All
How are you,
right.
bro?
Sorry, sister?
Yes, how are you today?
Me, I'm very well. How about you, sis?
I'm
Okay.
fine. Thank
Fine,
you.
yeah?
Yes.
All right.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so Sis Hartati, anyway, do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I believe it.
Okay. so
Because I
please.
always maintain my body. I always exercise. And then I sleeping by sleeping regular and eating healthy food.
Okay, eating healthy food. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And
So
I'm fasting Senin Kamis Monday and Senin Kamis ya.
okay, Monday and Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday, yes.
Okay, that's
Like
cool.
that.
So you
Okay.
have a good diet, yeah?
Yes.
Sis Hartati. All right.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
Sis
you.
Hartati, yeah?
Anytime.
Anytime. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Nice. And I'll move to other friend. I wanna go to is it bro? The name of Zoom is Martin, yeah. Hello.
Halo bro.
All right. Okay, bro Martin, yeah. Okay, bro. So how about you? Do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle?
My opinion, I have because I maintain a healthy diet, especially by consuming enough protein, bro.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, most Indonesians tend to eat more carbohydrates, maybe like rice than protein. And for the catatan, I am
The
the
note.
gym rat. Yeah, I have been a gym rat since last year. Yeah, I hit the gym almost every day.
Okay. All right. Almost every day. So you go to the gym
Yeah, bro,
or doing
almost every day.
All right, okay. Good, bro. And how about your, maybe the sleeping time, bro? Is it
It's
enough?
around 7 until 9
Hours.
yeah, hours.
Okay. So I think that's enough, yeah. That's good, bro.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, bro Martin, yeah. Thank you so much. Nice sharing, nice answer from you. And then next I will give it to, is it Sis Debbie Alistri? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Sis Debbie, yeah. Okay, sister, how about you? Do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle?
I don't think so, but
But what?
Jadi ingat makanya bonggol.
yeah, I don't think so. But today I only eat
Telepon kan sukanya
once.
bonggolnya nih. Bukan tikus nih.
Okay, sorry, Sis Debbie. So sorry ya guys, I need to mute for a while. Saya izin mute sebentar ya. Okay, Sis Debbie, can you repeat? I didn't catch the point. You don't think so, but
I don't think so, but I just try to eat not too much carbo, not too much calories. I reduce a few sugar and carbo.
Okay.
And actually, I just try to fast intermittent fasting, but not every day.
Okay.
Today I do it, and I only eat once today.
Okay, all right. Okay, so it's the better one, yeah? It's related to the carbohydrate. Okay. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Sis Debbie, yeah. Thank you so much.
You're
And then
welcome.
I'll give it to Bro Wiwin, yeah. Can you turn on?
Halo bro.
All right. Hello, bro. How
Mhm.
about you, bro? So I want to know about your healthy lifestyle. Do you believe that you have a healthy lifestyle?
I think I'm not.
Okay. Why, bro? How come you say it, bro?
Because every night I drink more alcohol and I take a bed late. Maybe 1 p.m.
Okay.
That's why.
Oh, so that's why, bro. Do you have a plan, bro, for changing it? Maybe soon.
Every day I have a plan, but tapi aku nggak bisa ngelakuin. Tetap kebiasaan buruknya terulang terus.
Oh, okay. So that's become your habit, yeah, bro.
Yep.
Okay. Still being planning, yeah, until today.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Not only you, yeah. So you have
Okay.
friends. Me too.
Thank you.
Me too, bro. Yeah, I do. You do as well. Yeah, it's kind of hard, yeah, or difficult when we have a bad habit. But yeah, we need to try, yeah, to change it. Thank you, bro. Vivian. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Maybe some of you first, guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Some
bro.
of you have a good, healthy lifestyle, ya. Tonton punya pola hidup sehat, ya. But some of you know, includes me, ya. I also have the bad habit too, guys. Yeah, I sleep. I think that's overnight. Yeah, that's a bad. Yeah, but I try to change, yeah, every single day. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. A bit correction ya when he said about the and then the oil ya. Coba sedikit ya yang saya catat dari teman-teman tadi, dan the oil. Harusnya bukan the ya, karena oil itu awalannya huruf vokal, jadi bacanya the. Gimana guys? The oil.
The oil.
The oil. Nah, oil tadi mengarah ke kelapa sawit tadi ya, the oil. And then there was a question ya, ada pertanyaan tadi sickness and disease guys, right? Sickness and disease. Sickness, illness itu sama ya guys. Disease itu juga ya penyakit ya.
Penyakit kalau disease.
Yes, sickness, illness itu sama-sama penyakit ya atau sakit gitu ya. Tapi kalau disease lebih ke penyakit.
Disease
Bedanya
tuh
apa guys? Kalau disease itu nama penyakitnya ya guys. Kalau sickness itu lebih ke rasa sakitnya. Do you get the point?
Yeah, I get it.
Oke, kalau disease contohnya kayak demam, fever, nah itu disease ya. Kalau sickness itu contohnya kayak pusing, mual, nah itu sickness atau illness. Jadi kalau disease nama penyakitnya, kalau sickness itu rasa sakitnya. Clear enough?
Clearing.
Yes, clear.
That's it. Nanti ada
Yes,
pain
clear.
juga ya, ada juga pain. Pain itu juga sakit ya, tapi sakit yang apa kita bilang nyeri gitu teman-teman.
Kayak rasa sakit ya bro.
Iya, rasa sakit yang benar-benar banget ya teman-teman, itu pain ya.
Sakit hati.
Ah itu that's different. That's hurting ya.
Heartbreaker.
Heartbreak or broken heart. That's it. Okay.
Sangat sakit bro.
Sangat sakit itu pain ya. Makanya ada istilah gini kan, no pain no gain. Do you know?
No.
Yeah.
Pernah tahu ada no pain no gain?
No gain.
Yeah.
Nah itu dia artinya. Apa tuh no pain no gain guys? Boleh ditebak? No pain no gain.
Nggak ada rasa sakit, nggak ada keuntungan.
No pain, tidak ada rasa sakit.
Nah,
No pain.
oke. No pain ya no gain. Kalau nggak ada rasa sakit, nggak mau sakit ya nggak akan dapat sesuatu like that. Oke, jadi harus ya usaha dulu intinya seperti itu.
Kalau
Oke.
gain sendiri apa artinya, bro?
Gain is when you can get something. Sorry?
Jadi
When you
dari kata get.
No, bukan dari kata get. It's different word ya. Beda kata. No pain, no gain. Gain is like when you reach something. Ketika kita dapat sesuatu. Nah, itu ya. Kita bisa finally we catch. Akhirnya kita bisa mendapatkan ya. That's gain. Or success ya, everybody. Do you get it? The success one. Kesuksesan itu sendiri. Jadi nggak ada rasa sakit, ya nggak ada kesuksesan. Itu apa ya, kalimat pengingat aja ya, no pain no gain. Okay, clear enough guys for it?
Fair enough.
Okay then, good. Thank you guys, thank you for the ones that raise hand but haven't called by me. Bagi teman-teman yang sudah angkat tangan tapi belum ditunjuk tadi ya, please be patient. We still have so many opportunities or changes ya. Chance, masih banyak sekali kesempatan yang lain ya, nanti kita bisa praktek lebih panjang juga. Okay, let's go to the next and it's about the common sickness that you know in English. Ini ya teman-teman kosakata kita hari ini, beberapa ya penyakit umum yang sering kita jumpai ya, atau mungkin bahkan menyerang kita ya, kita derita like that one, and you have to memorize ya, nanti silakan dihafalkan. Yang pertama boleh kita baca sama-sama ya. There is PAVI. Can you guys? PAVI. There is PAVI. PAVI.
Mata bengkak.
Mata bengkak.
Oh, mata bengkak.
Mata bengkak. Walaupun I itu sepasang, tapi kan kadang yang bengkak kan nggak selalu sepasang ya guys. Makanya nggak perlu pakai S, bukan PAVIIs, tapi PAVI. PAVI.
Ini semua disease ya?
Yes, wait. PAVI, sneeze. Okay, runny nose. Wait. Yeah, the sickness ya, the sickness. This one. Okay. What common sickness berarti penyakit umum gitu ya, that you know in English. Yang harus kamu tahu dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, PAVI, mata bengkak. The next one, sneeze.
Sneeze.
Ini guys, bersin ya, sneeze itu bersin. And then runny nose. Ini istilah ya guys. Run itu kan lari ya. Nah, bukan berarti runny nose itu hidungnya lari gitu kan ya.
Karena ingusnya meler.
Nah, itu dia karena ingusnya meler ya.
Naik turun.
That's it. Oke.
Sentrup.
Nah, iya, mau
Jadi kayak rangka
lari aja
sendiri.
tuh ya. That's it. Okay, sorry guys for talking about the disgusting one. Okay, and the next one, eye irritation.
Eye
Irritation.
Eye irritation, that's it. Irritation. Jangan dibaca irritation ya guys, tapi irritation.
Irritation. Dibaca irritation.
irritation.
Ini iritasi mata gitu ya, iritasi mata. That's it. Berarti kalau iritasi kulit gimana guys?
Skin
irritation.
irritation.
Skin irritation. Skin irritation. That's it. Okay, good. Boleh dinyalakan lagi suaranya ya. Tadi sedikit tabrakan guys. Okay. Let's go to the next. There is have skin rashes. Rashes. Okay. Kalau have skin rash itu bentol aja ya, tapi kalau skin rashes itu bentol-bentol. Ya, lebih dari satu berarti ya. The next one ada itchiness. Itchiness is gatal. Kalau cuma gatal aja guys, itu apa ya? Itchy ya. Itchy. Itchy like that. Oke ya, kita ke sebelah kanan ada wheezing. Okay, wheezing. What is wheezing?
Sesak nafas.
Wheezing
Bengek.
sesak nafas. Ya, bengek ya. Kalau kita biasanya dengan kata bengek ya. Nah, that's wheezing. Okay, the next one, faint. Faint is
Pingsan.
faint is pingsan. Good ya. Okay. Bahasa Inggris itu kalau memang F dibaca F ya guys, kalau P ya P gitu ya. Kalau B ya B, kalau V ya V gitu. Jadi emang ya harus gitu ya, soalnya kalau kita cara bacanya beda nih bisa merubah arti, oke? Contoh kayak faint. Kalau kita baca pain boleh nggak guys? Pain.
Enggak.
Pen beda artinya lagi.
Soalnya beda arti ya. Pain itu apa sih? What is pain?
Ngecat.
Cat gitu.
Sakit.
Mengecat kan? Pain. Sama kayak happy sama heavy, sama nggak? Happy, heavy.
Beda.
Bukan. Happy itu bahagia, heavy itu berat. Nah, gitu ya. Pain sama pain.
Heavy.
Nah, saya perlu bahas soalnya beberapa kali saya menemukan teman yang dia dengan logatnya jadi bilangnya pain gitu ya. Pain bro, bukan pain, faint. Iya pain ya. Oke, karena memang logat ya. Tapi sekali lagi harus dilatih. Oke, faint, pingsan. The next one. Ini bacanya stomachache. Ini guys. Stomachache. 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 Ya, stomach itu perut. Kalau stomachache sakit perut. Oke, kemudian ada toothache. Toothache is sakit gigi. Nah, jadi ache itu artinya sakit ya guys. Contoh sakit kepala apa guys? Sakit kepala. Headache ya. Headache. Sakit punggung. Backache. Nah, gitu. Tapi nggak semua sakit nanti tambahkan ache gitu nggak ya? No. Nanti diare jadi diarrhea gitu enggak juga ya. No, it's different. Jadi ya beberapa ya kita pakai kata ache. Kemudian ada diare ya, ini bacanya diarrhea. Diarrhea. The next one ada pink eye.
Kenapa enggak red eye?
Kenapa enggak red eye? Ya. That's
Mata
it.
pink dong.
Iya. Aha, sebutannya memang kalau mata merah itu pink eye ya guys. Kalau ini mah masih apa ya, masih deket ya antara pink sama red kan ya. Nah, ada kata lain yang jauh banget. Contoh cinta monyet di basic 1 sudah pernah belajar kan ya. Cinta monyet tuh apa guys? Puppy
love.
Puppy love. Nah, harusnya kan monkey love ya. Right?
Iya.
Oke. Padahal puppy itu artinya apa sih?
Anak
Anjing.
Nah,
Anak anjing.
itu. Anak seekor anjing kan. Nah,
Kalau cinta buta apa tuh, Bro?
jauh. The
blind.
blind ya, blind love. Love is blind, blind love gitu. Tetap ya, blind. Nah, itu ya. Jadi ya bahasa Inggris ini kadang ada satu kata maknanya beda ya. Banyak kata maknanya satu gitu. Satu kata maknanya banyak gitu. Jadi emang kita harus banyak hafalan ya. You need to memorize. Seperti mata merah itu sebenarnya bukan red eye tapi apa guys? Pink eye.
Tadi sakit perut dibacanya apa, Bro?
Sakit perut, stomachache. 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 And the last one, yang terakhir ya, ada kata cold. Repeat after me guys. Cold. Cold is
Masuk angin.
masuk angin.
Dingin.
Ya. Bisa diartikan dingin juga ya. Tapi ya tergantung kalimatnya teman-teman ya. Okay, so it's depends on the sentence.
How about common cold, Bro Koko?
Sorry, bro.
How about common cold? This is same.
Sorry, bro. So please, boleh di-unmute lagi ya, bro. Sorry, tadi suaranya agak tabrakan ya.
How about common cold? This is same.
Common cold?
Yeah.
Common like this one, bro. Common. How to how to spell?
Common cold itu sakit atau apa ya?
How to spell, bro?
Pilek ya.
Ejaannya
Yeah,
gimana, bro?
Wait. I forget it.
Okay, like this one, common cold. Like this.
Wait. Where is Bro Koko? Where is?
Oke, di chat box, bro. Apakah seperti itu? Common cold? Atau beda ya? Different?
Yeah. I just hear the word, but
just
I
here. Okay,
forget.
common cold.
Yeah,
common
I
cold.
forget the.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oke, bro. Cold itu bisa masuk angin, bisa flu juga sih ya, guys. Jadi common cold itu bisa masuk ke flu juga sih ya. So, can be. Bisa I have a cold. Nah, itu saya masuk angin. Atau I have a cold, ya bisa ya flu ya. Intinya sakit flu gitu. Common cold ya lebih ke flu sih ya. Saya kira, bro Ricky. Oke?
Oke, siap, bro.
Alright, Oke, guys ya. Ada beberapa kata lagi nih berhubungan dengan kosakata yang ada di sini ya. Things that relate. Boleh kita cari bahasa Inggrisnya ya. Let's discuss about the English of gejala. Ada yang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya gejala, guys?
Symptom.
Very good. Symptom. That's it. Okay, so sorry ya guys, it's kinda echoing, agak memantul gitu ya. I don't know what happened here, so sorry for that one. Okay, symptom, benar ya teman-teman? Symptom. Okay, tulisannya simptom, bacanya symptom. How about penyebab, guys? Penyebab.
Etiologi.
Kalau reason itu alasan ya. Kalau penyebab itu cause. Ya, that's penyebab. Sembuh.
Acute.
Pardon?
Heal.
Healed.
Recover.
Healed. Okay.
Yeah.
Recover bisa nggak guys? Recover
Bisa.
Recover.
bisa juga. Sakit.
Sick. Ill.
Atau ill ya. Right.
Iya.
Obat.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Kalau minum obat ya, minum obat.
Drink medicine.
Drink drug.
Drink
Drug.
Drink drug.
No.
Take medicine.
Take
Take medicine. Medicine.
take a medicine.
Medicine.
That's it. Ya. Jadi walaupun minum itu drink, bukan berarti minum obat, drink medicine ya, tapi take a medicine. Oke. Itu sama kayak pergi ke dokter ya. Pergi ke dokter itu bukan berarti pergi to go to doctor, bukan, tapi see a doctor. See a doctor itu ya pergi ke dokter gitu. Nanti kita akan ada praktek, ada kata kalimat itu, kata tersebut ya. Medicine, obat, oke, good. Kemudian perawatan, the last one. That's
Treatment.
Treatment. Ya. Treatment ya.
Treatment.
Okay. Okay, good. Things that relate ya. And okay. Anyway guys, sorry ya. Do you hear like echoing? Teman-teman dengar agak memantul gitu nggak sih? Atau saya aja?
Iya, dari tadi.
Iya,
bro.
kenapa ya? So it's
Bunyi kayak bunyi air.
okay. Ya, agak memantul ya, so sorry. Makanya saya izin kadang saya mute gitu ya, bukan apa-apa guys, biar biar ya jelas gitu ya. Alright. Oke, then sekarang kita belajar idiom lagi ya guys, sebelum kita ke praktek hari ini. Hari ini juga ada breakout room, of course, for your practicing, but biar makin keren ya, kita belajar idiom ya. What is idiom? Apa itu idiom guys? Idiom is
Peribahasa.
peribahasa. Berhubungan dengan kesehatan ya. Hari ini peribahasanya adalah, repeat after me guys. Under the weather.
Under the weather.
Under the weather. The meaning is?
Kenapa under di bawah?
Nah, padahal under itu di bawah.
Di bawah cuaca berarti.
Di bawah cuaca. Kok nggak enak badan?
Weather.
It's idiom. Itulah peribahasa ya.
Idiom.
Under the weather itu nggak enak badan.
Nggak enak badan.
Ya, misalnya, how are you today?
Under the weather.
Under the weather. I am under the weather. That's it. Good. And then the next one, suffer from. Can you guys suffer?
Suffer from.
Suffer from is
Menderita.
menderita ya. Oke. Ya menderita, tapi nanti harus diikuti oleh,
Apa penyakitnya, bukan diikuti gitu. Kalau penderita apa gitu.
iya, harus ada nama penyakitnya ya. Oke, misalnya misalnya menderita kanker, berarti suffer from cancer.
Menderita
cinta
aja.
Sorry, sister?
Kalau menderita karena cinta sama aja.
Anjay.
Menderita karena cinta.
Suffer from love.
Anjay. Dengan Pak
From
Jonan.
love to
Galau kayaknya lagi galau.
Teman-teman pernah dengar kata sick of you guys? Sick of you.
No.
Sick of you.
Who say it just
Ya, sick of you. Sick of you itu ya sakit karena kamu gitu. Nah,
Bukan
itu
sick
menderita.
of you ya.
Pakainya
Nah,
you bukan
Iya.
Udah muak dengan kamu.
Iya, sick of you, muak, udah sakit, udah benar-benar parah gitu. Itu lebih ke menderita karena cinta ya, tapi kalau suffer from penyakit ya. Exactly.
him aja.
Okay, that's it. Okay, the next one, be as fit as fiddle. Can you guys? Be as fit as fiddle.
Bugar.
Iya, sehat, segar, bugar ya, atau ya sehat itu as fit as fiddle. Be-nya ini bisa diganti to be ya guys, itu kan to be. Jadi kayak aku sehat berarti I am
As
fit
as fiddle.
as fit as fiddle gitu jadinya. Good. And then have a splitting headache. Can you guys?
Have splitting headache.
Have a splitting headache. Okay.
atau migrain.
Sakit kepala parah ya. Splitting itu kayak mau pecah gitu ya. That's it. Benar-benar
Kalau
parah.
sakit kepala setengah apa kok?
Ya migrain itu sudah migrain ya. Migrain. Oke. Have a splitting headache. Headache itu benar-benar sakit ya, sakit kepala parah. And then be black and blue. Can you guys be black and
Be black and blue.
black and blue? What is be black and blue?
Memar.
Ya, memar. Ya, memar ya guys, memar gitu. Oke, memar biru hitam ya. Ya, memar biasanya emang biru hitam ya. So, be black and blue. Gitu. Dan yang terakhir, go under the knife. Jadi guys, go
under the
Under the knife.
the knife. Okay.
knife. Bukan the knife ya.
Oke, knife ya bacanya.
Bukan knife itu.
Iya, bukan knife tapi knife.
Knife.
Go under the knife itu operasi. Ini masih, iya pergi ke bawah pisau. Masih bisa ya kita tebak artinya gitu kan ya? Go under the knife. Yes.
Go under the knife.
Kalau under the weather tadi nggak bisa ya ditebak artinya.
Enak banget ya.
Kita harus hafalan guys. Like,
Kalau surgery itu sama juga dengan operasi ya.
iya, surgery itu memang artinya operasi ya. Surgery. Tapi ini idiom. Kalau yang kita bahas ini idiom ya. Idiom itu peribahasa. Oke. Clear enough guys?
Here.
Clear enough.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So guys, yeah, for your practicing today, untuk praktek teman-teman hari ini, maybe just 5 questions, but you need to tell it in detail ya. 5 pertanyaan aja, tapi silakan teman-teman jawab dengan detail gitu ya. Speaking yang bagus itu bukan speaking yang textbook banget guys. Speaking yang bagus itu ketika teman-teman bisa ngalir gitu ya. Makanya kadang-kadang ketika saya ke breakout room ada yang nanya, bro boleh nggak sih kita menanyakan ke teman kita tapi pertanyaan yang nggak ada di modul gitu. Saya pernah masuk ke room seperti itu, boleh guys, it's okay. Tapi ya jangan keluar dari topik ya. Maksud saya tetap tentang health and sickness misalnya, like that one. Okay. So guys, yeah, the first question, have you ever got cough? Apa tuh artinya guys? Boleh kita clearkan dulu ya. Have you ever got cough?
Apakah kamu pernah batuk?
Pernahkah kamu batuk?
Apakah pernah batuk?
Iya, have you ever got cough? Pernahkah kamu batuk? Ya?
Batuk.
Mungkin
Kapan dan kenapa?
Mungkin when-nya ini saya kasih spesifik ya. When was the last time gitu kali ya? When was the last time?
Kapan terakhir?
Nah, kapan terakhir kamu batuk gitu. Soalnya kita kan pasti pernah lebih dari sekali ya.
Sering.
Nah, jadi mungkin when was the last time, kapan terakhir kali, and why, dan kenapa. That's it. Boleh nanti dikasih tahu ke teman-temannya. Next, do you like seeing a doctor when you're sick? Do you know the meaning, right?
Apakah kamu pergi ke dokter ketika kamu sakit?
Apakah kamu ke dokter kalau kamu sakit?
Yes. Yes or no, and why, ya? Or why not? That's it. And then, will the doctor make all diseases go away? What's that?
Apakah dokter
dokter menyembuhkan sakit?
Iya, make all diseases go away itu maksudnya menyembuhkan semua penyakit. That's it. What do you think? Yes or no, guys?
No.
The same maybe.
Not really.
Why? Okay, so you can tell to your friends. Nanti boleh dikasih tahu ya kenapa ya, kenapa tidak. Okay, again, unmute ya, unmute lagi guys. What tips to be healthy every day? What's that, guys? Apa tips?
Untuk sehat setiap hari.
Nah, so you can share ya your tips to your friends. The tips to be healthy every day. The last one, yang terakhir, do you prefer to go to the clinic or hospital when you're sick?
Apakah lebih baik kamu
pergi ke klinik atau rumah sakit ketika sakit?
Suka kemana?
Prefer ya, bacanya nanti nggak ada yang prefer tapi prefer. Nah, prefer. Bukan prefer ya, tapi prefer. You prefer, apakah kamu lebih suka gitu?
Ke rumah sakit atau
ke klinik atau ke rumah sakit ketika kamu sakit. Okay, you have time less than 20 minutes ya. Kurang dari 20 menitan. One room consists of 3 to 4 participants. So you can talk to your friends about this one. Anyway guys, ready for it?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay. Please make sure your connection is stable. Make sure you have updated your Zoom ya. Pastikan koneksi stabil, pastikan sudah update Zoom ya biar ikut breakout room dengan mudah gitu teman-teman, tidak terlempar ke room yang lain ya. Oke, let's go. Have a nice practicing and I'll go to some rooms ya. Nanti saya ke beberapa room dari teman-teman. Let's go guys. See you all.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, brothers and sisters. Okay, back here on the main session, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, how about your breakout room today, guys? Was it running well? Was it good? Gimana teman-teman breakout room hari ini? You did it, right?
Yes.
Of course we did it.
Yes, we did it.
Okay, that's cool, ya. Alright, I went to some rooms, guys, ya. Saya tadi ke beberapa room, but I think so the first one that I have to say, ya, mungkin satu hal yang perlu saya bilang ke teman-teman, hari ini yang saya dapatkan lebih ke mungkin beberapa teman yang masih belum ada suara sama sekali, ya. So, come on guys, ya, come on, you need to speak up. Sekalipun dicampur-campur bahasanya nggak apa-apa ya, no problem guys, really.
We must try ya Bro Gogo. We must
You
brave
must.
try.
That's it, bro. That's it. Okay.
Walaupun salah-salah.
you made it.
That's
Okay.
it.
Who's there?
Oke. Tiba-tiba
Pak Iman,
banget.
why
ya.
you
married?
leave?
Who's married?
Pak Iman,
Bro,
why you leave?
I live in North Sumatra, in Medan.
Where do you live, guys? Bukan
No,
are you
no,
living?
no. Pak
Really?
Iman, tadi keluar dari grup breakout. Why you leave group?
Oh, why you
Iya,
leave?
Pak Iman belum selesai bertanya tadi loh.
Saya juga nggak tahu kenapa saya dicampain gitu.
Ah.
Saya
Oh my God.
Pak Iman.
maybe you
Ya, soalnya Pak Iman
Ini
soalnya
Pak
Pak
Iman
Iman
tadi pas bertanya.
grup
I'm listening you all, but I'm listening you.
soalnya Pak Iman di grup breakout itu dikelilingi sama wanita-wanita
Oh.
selir-selir yang satu berbanding
Oh,
gitu loh.
Really?
So,
We have a
so you,
stop.
so you
Saya
out from
sih
your room, right?
Saya
Okay.
sih ingin yang cowok, tapi mana ya yang cowok nggak muncul gitu loh.
Oh,
Ya.
I see.
Dikelilingi sama selir-selir Pak Iman itu.
I see.
Saya tadi
Good
bingung
morning,
kenapa
Mr. Baiman.
Wah,
Saya
Pak Iman itu. Bro Gogo,
Pak Iman
kenapa saya
keren.
dikeluarkan?
No, no, bro. No, bro.
Pak Iman saya belum kenal.
Oh my God.
Mau kenalan.
Japri.
Okay.
Pak Iman itu icon.
Bro Paiman is a star ya here, guys.
Thank you so much.
Dan star syndrome.
Okay.
Pak Iman itu icon grup kita.
Suul, I'm Suul.
No, bro. You're the golden boy, bro.
All
The
not
golden
mean
boy.
can to be star, right?
But
Yeah.
I'm always confident.
You should, bro.
Kalau saya nggak
Yeah.
confident, nanti ketahuan bohongnya.
Age is just a number ya, bro. Age is just a number, right?
It's
Cuma
not.
angka ya. That's it.
Okay.
Just a number. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Icon.
The number.
Please,
Today not feedback, right?
Thank you.
Also, Bro Coco.
Just number.
There is a feedback, guys. There's a feedback. Okay. My feedback is like this one. Yeah, I'm happy, guys. Today, I'm really happy today. Because what? Because you all speak up ya. Teman-teman semuanya speak up nih. I'm happy ya. Tapi mungkin sedikit ya, ada 1-2 yang tadi saya masuk ke roomnya. Bro, in my room, there are some people that are silent ya. Ada beberapa teman kita yang masih tidak ada suara sama sekali. Oke, mungkin beberapa kali saya bilang ke teman-teman, it's okay guys ya, practice and practice ya. Sama guys, kenapa saya bilang seperti itu? Saya pun juga gitu ya. Saya masih ingat ketika saya kursus juga gitu ya, ketika saya harus ke toilet gitu kan, harus pakai bahasa Inggris nih 24 jam. Karena saya nggak bisa ya, saya campur aja. Sir, I want go to toilet ya. I want go to toilet. Nah, itu di beberapa hari setelahnya. Tapi kalau awal-awal, sir, saya mau go to toilet. It's okay guys.
Permisi, Bro, saya ke toilet.
It's okay ya, nggak masalah. Sekali lagi, itu jauh lebih baik daripada kita tidak praktek sama sekali. Mungkin lebih ke situ ya untuk teman-teman untuk hari ini lebih ke teman-teman harus berani like that one. Oke?
Let's try.
Aku juga lebih berani rokok karena ada Pak Iman.
Nah, itu dia. Oke. Kalau kalau soal itu mungkin saya angkat
Miss
tangan ya,
Norinda
guys.
very ngefans tuh.
Saya kan
Ya,
langsung
Paiman
mau
ya.
ikut, jadi bingung.
I see.
Belum.
Maybe for the next one, bro. Paiman, you need to make some accounts ya. Nanti bisa ke beberapa room, jadi teman-teman yang lain bisa satu room gitu ya. Oke, so
Good
thank
idea,
you
good
guys.
idea.
Jadi sekali lagi ya untuk hari ini teman-teman nggak apa-apa. Saya bilang dari kesalahan ya ada beberapa ya teman-teman yang hari ini mungkin dicampur-campur. Ada beberapa juga teman-teman yang hari ini mungkin bahasanya kurang pas gitu. Tapi sekali lagi hari ini memang materinya speaking ya. Kalau kita materinya grammar mungkin saya yang lebih dominan ya. Tapi kalau materi speaking teman-teman yang harus dominan dan di situ teman-teman nggak perlu takut ya untuk salah atau gimana. No, you just do, you just speak. Because from your doing, from your speaking, you can get something and you can be better. That's it. Okay, guys, get it? I hope.
Yes,
Yeah?
guys.
Bro, Adit.
Okay, thank you for today, guys.
Thank you.
Tomorrow ya.
Okay, bro.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, bro Koso and bro Paiman.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, bro Paiman.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bro
Bye.
Paiman.
Ah.
Bye-bye, Bro Paiman.
Bye.
Ini kayaknya idolanya Bro Paiman ini.
Masih di mute itu Paiman tuh, belum dibuka tuh.
Maybe he worried to
Bro
answer.
Paiman
Lagi pusing
tidak
kayak Paiman tuh. Belum
topiknya.
di mute, masih di mute.
Or
Thank you,
maybe
bro Paiman.
her wife.
Nice to meet you, Miss Erna.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Miss Ria.
Okay.
Bye-bye.